This is it. It's time to get off the ship. We had such a memorable time on this cruise, and it's just so sad that it's over. For this video, guys, I will be showing you the process of disembarkation from the Disney Cruise Adventure. In general, here are some of the things you need to know. You must prepare the following items for disembarkation day: your SG arrival card, passport, your key card, and your luggage with character tags. There are two ways to get off the ship. The first option is the express walk-off, where you can carry all of your luggage yourself. This allows you to be among the first passengers to leave the ship. It's usually around 7 to 8 a.m., which is ideal if you have an early flight to catch. The second option is more of the regular procedure. For this option, you'll need to pack all your luggage the night before. Any bags you want the staff to handle must be placed outside your stateroom door by 10 p.m. with the proper character luggage tags attached. Disney will provide one luggage tag per passenger, but you can always request additional tags from your stateroom host if needed. Passengers using the regular procedure will then disembark the ship in batches the following morning. This is ideal for those who still want to have breakfast either at the buffet or any of the sit-down restaurants. Any changes to these two options will be on the cruise app. Guys, time to check out, and we'll show you guys the process. So basically, kagabi pa lang, they got our luggages before 10 p.m. So we only have hand carry stuff with us. So right now it is 7 a.m. We're gonna go down for breakfast. Okay, ayun, true. May ilaw pa. Oh.
Luggage tag photos and characters that are yellow with Chippendale are now cleared to disembark via the gangway located on Deck 7 forward. Guests holding any other Disney character luggage tag are invited to wait comfortably on board until their luggage tag is announced before disembarking the ship. We thank you for sailing with us on board the beautiful Disney adventure and wish you a safe and pleasant journey home.
Thank you. Morning. Dami na nagising. Late ako na tayo, sorry. Ito yung menu, guys. Okay, we have matcha. So what I do to get iced coffee, so I just request for ice. I got the eggs for the road, so the scrambled eggs, hash brown, bacon, and sausage. And I got some cream cheese with smoked salmon and bread. And I requested for fried rice. Actually, rice lang, but they said ito lang meron siya. Again, my sister got almost the same, except she got French toast instead of the smoked salmon. Guys, we're having breakfast here at Navigators Club.
Animal products may be brought off of the ship.
I highly recommend you go to a sit-down restaurant instead of a buffet unless you're in a hurry. Kasi super gulo kapag buffet. So, I ordered like eggs with bacon and sausage. And I asked, sir, do you have rice? They have. They give me rice. So we have a character for all of the luggage. Like we got Stitch. Tapos they're gonna announce kung ready na ba bumaba. But it's okay naman even if you don't, if you're still eating, they're not gonna get mad. So just have breakfast. Okay, so technically guys, wala talagang iced coffee. But nag-offer si ate na gawan daw niya ng paraan. So thank you so much Ellie from Navigators Club. Nakakatawa dito. Sobrang daming Pinoy na staff and sobrang alagaan talaga kayo. But just don't forget to tip. So here, you can tip pretty much in any currency. But it's ideal na USD. But if you have SGD, it's okay. So since she helped me, I'll give her $5. Hindi pa kami tinatawag. Thank God. Oh, for stuff. Just our hand carry. So they'll show here on the screen if pwede ka na bumaba. So mine is Stitch or not yet here. Sure. It's a lot of people. A really long line sa guest service. Ang daming tao sa guest services. Oh, we're going down. We're looking for banyo. My whole body hurts. Yeah, we can chill here at Tiana's. have to look for the banyo. Aray. All the shops are closed. So make sure you shop like the last night before you disembark kasi sarado lahat. So then, see here. Ito yung Pixar. Ito yung Marvel Landing, Reef. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Ito yung mga staterooms, Hollywood Spotlight, Palo, Animators Club, San Francisco, Duffy, Baymax Cinemas. Ito yung pool area, Toy Story, Spa, Imagination Garden. Ano to? Enchanted. Ano? Enchanted? Toy Story, Imagination Garden. This is yung kay Olaf. Ito yung Oceaneers Club. The Oceaneers Club, and then tapos dito sa forward, the suites.
Yes, may I have your attention, please?
Ito yung mga suites. The theater is here.
And at this time,
Ang karaoke. Ito yung mga concierge.
That's it. Located on deck 7-4.
And that's it.
Please have your key to the world card ready to swipe as you leave the ship. Inside the terminal, be prepared to show proof of citizenship and a completed online arrival card for customs inspection. Be advised that no fresh fruits, vegetables, plant materials, meats, or animal products.
That's the backpack I bought.
If you have any of these items,
So, around 9 a.m., that's the only time they called our character. So, it's our, hindi naman siya agad-agad. So, go have breakfast. Just be ready before 8 because they can call you anytime. But they already called Stitch now. They're restocking all of the stores. You can't enter.
via the gateway located on deck 7-4 in Pleasant.
I'm so sad. It's done. We're leaving. Where's my sister? Ayun, nagpipicture din siya. Let's go up. Ariel, Cinderella, Luca, Snow White. Don't forget the survey. Aww. Bye-bye, ship. No. Char. I'm so sad. Ang dami tao. Well, kasi kanina pa tayo. Bye, Batcha, and TWG. So yeah, you go up to deck 7 and you just line up. You'll see everyone naman lining up. Make sure you have your passport and your key to the world card with you pa rin kasi you need to scan it when you go outside. And Aray. Sorry. Technically, guys, you can stay in the ship for a long time until they really say, get out. But kami, it's 9 a.m. We were able to have breakfast pa, so that's good. And everyone's just exiting here. Katabi siya ng San Francisco. Hidden Mickey! San Francisco.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Bye! Thank you. Bye-bye.
Morning.
Ayun sa scan.
Meron na pala din.
Sus. Okay, you need to scan your card. Thank you. No! I'm so sad. Very, very tiny bridge. So, now we're gonna go get our luggage under stitch. Okay, we're going to immigration now, so bawal mag-record. Let's go. Okay, so now we're in the luggage area. Basically, di ba you have a character? You have to look for your character. Similar lang siya sa Royal, but sa Royal, I think it's numbers. Here, it's a character. So like here, and there's Aladdin, Moana, Mula. I'm so happy I got Stitch. I see Stitch. I see my luggage. Ay, luggage natin.
Right now?
Stitch. Litaw na litaw ang aming world traveler. There you go. Show your world traveler. Yay. Then, it's our second world traveler, so Stitch. Yeah, same. Ayan. That's how it looks. The next is customs na. But you'll see your luggage is here. Under Stitch. Ang init, guys. We're under Stitch, and this is my world traveler, Pink Paradise in Dubai. Let's go! Goofy. There's Donald. Dalawa yung Donald. Ayan, no? Donald. There's Captain Mickey. There's Tinkerbell. Bye! Tinkerbell. Captain Lenny. Daisy! Daisy's so sassy. I love her. There's Pluto. There's Ariel and Chip and Dale. Chip and Dale and Ariel. Next, we have customs na. No more video. Okay, look for the signs that says ride hailing, pick up. If you're gonna ride Grab. Grabe guys, naiwan namin yung isang luggage, so bumalik pa ako sa loob. Because we have an extra duffel kasi hindi nagkasya yung gamit. We forgot we had yung duffel na yun. Look for the ride hailing. Dun pa. Ayun, ride hailing, pick up. May different zones yun. So just follow the signs. And ride hailing. Nadaanan mo yung mga bus stations. Looking for the ride hailing zones before we book. Long queue. Like I am dripping in sweat. Dati kasi, pwede kami magpa-pick up doon mismo. But then I think now, hindi na ata pwede. Because they have signs for ride hailing. May nag-accept na. Connecting. Trying to book. It, to our next hotel, it's $37. 47? 37. $37. Wala talo-talo na yan. Sa ganitong panahon ng init. We had to get a large kasi we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bags. Pwede kayo mag-train pero hahanapin pa namin ang taas ng araw. So that's a no. Yun nga lang, walang CR guys. Naka-lock yung CR. Wala ko na rin back. Thank you. Ay, pati ko dito.